Hi, welcome to Victoria Takes on Sweets. Today I'm going to be making a double layer pineapple upside down cake. I love a good pineapple upside down cake. My grandmother makes a really good one. Hers is from scratch. Now recently, my mother-in-law made a pineapple upside down cake and it was out of this world, moist, delicious. And of course I asked her for the recipe and she told me that it was from this Duncan Hines Pineapple Supreme box cake mix. And that totally just blew my mind that the cake was from a box. And so I thought, you know what? I can do this. I've always been a little intimidated to make a pineapple upside down cake just because I've had some that weren't so good and they were dry and crumbly and I didn't want to do that. However, I feel like I can do it. And so I'm gonna go ahead and give it a try. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so first I'm just gonna follow the directions on the back of this box. And so I've already have my oven preheated to 350 and we're just gonna go ahead and make the cake batter. Now it's going to take 1 cup of water, 1/3 cup of oil, 3 large eggs, and mine are at room temperature. And that's it. Now we're just gonna go ahead and give this a mix. I haven't made a box cake mix in a while, so forget how easy this is. Smells so good. I guess it's already naturally flavored with pineapple in it, so you can smell the pineapple. It smells really good. Taste a little bit of this. Just like straight up pineapple. Very good. Okay, I don't know if you can see. There's my mix. Okay, so now I do have 2 9-inch cake pans, and what you have to do now is melt the butter. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this butter. It's basically 1 stick of butter. I cut them in half and we're gonna melt these and then pour the melted butter into the cake pan. Move that out the way. Let's go ahead and get these melted. Butter is melted. And my mother-in-law did give me a few tips. So she told me to go ahead and dump this butter on the bottom of this pan. Give it a little swirl here. Now, I have 2 bowls of packed brown sugar. This is half of a cup, and this goes at the bottom of the pan. So, dump those in. And I guess we'll just spread it around evenly. Looks great. Okay, so now I'm gonna take these pineapples here. I know you drain them. I'm just gonna drain this juice out. I'm gonna put hopefully 6 rings in each pan. That's my goal. I already have these in my pantry, so. Okay. I'm just gonna layer these in here. Now I know some people use the maraschino cherries. I have some, but I'm not gonna use them. My kids don't care for them that much, so. Just gonna be straight pineapple. And I also know some people use the juice from the pineapple from the can to put in their cake batter. But this cake batter is already so pineapple-y, that's a word, in flavor that I don't think it's necessary, so. Just used water. Right, so this is what it's looking like so far. Can you see? So now we just pour the batter on top as evenly as we can. All right, gonna give this a quick stir. And let's pour. Want this to be as even as possible. All right, so I've got the batter in evenly. Just like so. I can't believe how easy this is actually. I feel like there should be more steps. This seems like it's just too easy. Man, this is real pineapple-y. All right, so let's go ahead and pop these in the oven. The box here says it will cook for about 22 to 27 minutes. So I'll check on it in 22 minutes and we'll see where we are. Okay, we're back. Okay, so the cakes are done. It took them 28 minutes to completely bake. The box said 22 to 27, but it took me 28. So it looks perfect. It looks delicious. I don't know if you can see it. I don't want to mess them up. They're still warm, so I'm letting them cool. I did go ahead and whip up some frosting here. You can see. And all it is 1 cup of, I used salted butter, so I didn't put any extra salt, but just 1 cup of salted butter, 4 cups of sifted confectioner sugar, 1/3 cup of heavy whipping cream, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and that's it. So I went ahead and whipped this up pretty well, and the frosting is ready. So again, all I'm doing right now is just waiting for the cakes to cool. When those are done, I'm gonna go ahead and slap this frosting in the center, and then the cake will be ready. So go ahead and wait for that. All right, the cakes are cooled and we're ready to frost. Now we can add our second layer. This cake just looks so incredibly moist and smells so good. Look at that. All right, I'm gonna finish it off with just some cute little dollops on the top. enough frosting. So here it is. Looks so yummy. I'm so excited. All right, now, I mean, if you wanted to get nitpicky, you could like fill in some spaces, but honestly, I'm just really happy with how it came out. I think it looks absolutely delicious. So now it's time to cut a piece. Whew. Okay, so I'm so excited to try this. It is very, very moist and soft. I can tell that already. Wow. This is so good for a boxed cake. I'll tell you what, not even for a box cake, like this is probably the best pineapple upside down cake I've ever had. It is super, super good. And I really enjoyed doing this. It was super easy. I'm in shock. So anyways, again, here's the finished product. Here's the big slice of cake. So yeah, if you enjoyed watching me make this pineapple double layer upside down cake, please give me a thumbs up and please like and subscribe to my channel. I plan on making many more things and trying out new things that I haven't done before. So yeah, thank you so much for watching and have a great day.